One fine day as I was walking down the street, spied a beggar man with rags upon his feet. Took a penny from my pocket, in his tin cup I did drop it, and I heard him say as I made my retreat, "May birds paradise flop your nose, and elephant brush you with his toes. May wife be plagued with runners in her hose. May birds paradise flop your nose."
Where do you find these songs?
My laundry man is really on his toes. Found $100 bill among my clothes. When he called me, I came running, gave his back his dime for phoning, and I heard him say as I turned to go, "May bird paradise flop your nose, may an elephant caress you with his toes, may life be played with runners in her hose. Flop your nose." I was way behind one day to catch a train. Taxi driver said we'll make it just the same. A speed cop made with us, and as he wrote out the ticket, I stood by politely waiting for my change. May bird paradise fly up your nose, may an elephant caress you with his toes, may wife be played with runners in her hose. May bird of paradise fly up your nose, may bird of paradise fly up your nose, may an elephant caress you with his toes, may wife be played with runners in her hose. May bird of paradise